to our YouTube channel, Unicorn Sisters. And today we're doing a scavenger hunt with Fidget. So let's get started. Woo!
I'm happy I went with the pop-up bracelet because it fixed it. Perfect. And then this one. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that. Oh! I got it. Okay, yeah. And I'm going to put it in this pillow. So I couldn't reach up there. I'll put it behind here. In here. Here.
Okay, so
Let's go.
how much do half the bin, bestie? Okay, so I should probably get some kind of bin or something.
Yeah, just use a fidget bin.
Yeah, okay. Okay. We're gonna get the obvious one first. Okay. Another one. I wonder if one. It's heavy. There's a stressful thing. Knew it. Okay, it's a PBJ. It's a PBJ. Okay. So then we have. I see one. There's one.
She's on the gumball.
Ew, it's heavy. That can stay in there. Okay. Knew it. I felt like there was gonna be one in there. Okay. Knew it.
I tried to trick you, darn it.
I just felt a drawer close a little bit. Okay, wait. This one's open. Okay, we're gonna check this one first. Nothing but it's an empty drawer. That's fine. We've got one. Knew it.
That face.
Oh, wait, okay. This is the YouTube props, except we're moving them, so it's empty. Nothing in there. Are there any in here?
I don't know. Keep looking.
Okay, then there's definitely one more. You would have told me no.
Bro.
Okay. Okay. This is some. Okay, there's some. Oh my gosh!
That was the jackpot.
Take a look in here. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys. So. Okay. Okay. Last place I'm gonna check for this. But there's one in this pile place. Knew it! So I think that's all for over there. I'm a little.
Finally, you noticed that.
Oh my gosh! Wait, there's one down here too.
Finally.
Oh my god. Okay. Short.
So elegant.
I'm short. I can't reach it. Oh, baby.
I was gonna try and put that one on top of the door.
Okay, then we have another one here. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm seeing so many. Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, I found one. Okay, I don't know what that was. So, I found some here. We have a tangle as tree chopper. We got, oh, my little Christmas tree hat.
Did you notice I lit your tree up?
Yes, I did actually. And that looks like there's two more in here. Oh, another one down here too. So we're gonna. Oh, okay. We're gonna come back over here. Make sure that there's no more. Okay.
There.
Okay. We're talking now here. My candy.
There's no more in that purse.
That purse, she said. That's why I'm gonna check it right here. That kind of jump scared me a little bit there.
There's no more.
Okay. Knew it!
There's none up there.
Okay, KJ back up in there. Okay, baby. Let's go. 3 in
Did you get the pop tube down there?
the orange one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. And we have this beautiful llama pockets. Ooh, we got a monkey noodle. Oh, I missed. Wait,
I missed.
we're gonna play a little basketball game.
Oh gosh.
Slam dunk. Oh, that was practice.
Oh!
The crowd goes wild for Reagan. No, but we got Hans screwed it up in here. Okay. You got one? I'm expecting everyone to be in my bed. Oh, the pig was not keeping my sleep. Oh, found it. Found one. Look how cute this axolotl is. Right there. Is that it?
No.
Okay, let's look and see.
Not every fidget is down.
I'm short. Why are you doing this to me? What?
Are you sure you checked the curtains?
You said curtains. What? It's white. I can't reach that, by the way. Is that all of them?
No.
How
This is squishy. There's
Like and subscribe if you think I'm gonna find a fidget in 15 seconds. Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why are you looking down, not up? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to subscribe.
Please subscribe. And once we get to 100 subscribers, I will crack 10 eggs on my head. But only if we get to 100 subscribers, hopefully before Christmas. It's nice down here. Okay, we're gonna restart the scene, guys. Okay.
Maybe standing on your bed will help.
What? I didn't need any hints, guys, this time. Like, usually I need some hints, but... Ow! There's my foot! Wait, what? How did you put that
There's nothing up there.
on the... No! In the hammock!
I threw it up there.
How are we gonna get it down?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
Okay, guys. We're gonna have to get this down without not getting it down.
That's...
Baby.
Okay,
that was
there's...
my hand right
I think there's one more. Where did I scare you?
I said no in my closet.
No, I didn't scare you in your closet. I mean, I didn't hide it in your closet.
What?
You're near it. You just gotta look up.
I know what it is.
What?
You. I have an idea. Watch this, guys. Now I can get the next fidget. I won. And subscribe if you want to see part 2 where I hide the fidgets and Persephone finds them. Ooh, find